what's going on. It's popping out here. I appreciate all the love on the recent videos, man. We need y'all to like the video and subscribe, man. We're going hard all 2025, man. It's good. Yo, what's good, y'all? We back at it with another video, man. I just parked, so we out here at the Night at the Hop meet, man. We just getting going, y'all. So we got all kind of cars out here, man. Little GT right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get every car, man. So Subi right here, man. Check out the underglow on this thing, man. So I'm not even in the main parking lot yet. The main parking lot's over there. So there's a lot of Subis out here tonight. Check it out, man. That thing washed up. See what's going on, man. Damn, this thing is crazy. Check this out, bro.
Dude, somebody bought an RS6 out here. That dude must not have shit to do. What a douchebag.
They eat Whataburger every day.
Shit's cool.
I see you there all the time. I live right by you.
Is that that white Ford that we like?
Damn, this thing's crazy.
Isn't that the white Ford that we like from the season? It's on the movie that parking lot?
Let's see what we got over here, man. It's kind of dark over here, y'all. Oh, this is crazy. Damn. That's crazy. For sure. Fabo. All right, y'all. Finna head over to the IHOP. What the hell? Damn, dog. Clean out here, dog. Yeah, this thing is sexy, bro.
What I'm gonna go like 55.
Oh, this thing's sick. Okay. Damn, it's an M3. This thing is sick, bro. Holy shit. Things on bags too. Let me get the back of this thing. The wide body on there too. Stop playing, bro. Sick, bro. C7 right here. Let's see see what else we got, y'all. Some Mazdas. 5.0. It's crazy, yo.
Yeah, man.
This thing is crazy. Got the work meisters on that thing. Stop playing, bro. Clean build, bro. It's clean. For sure. Got a cyber truck out here, y'all. This thing is crazy. Oh, check that Tesla out, man. That thing's clean. This thing's clean. Oh, boy, got the Pro Charger in this thing. Says he's ready to race for pink slips, y'all. Yes, sir. All right, man. I think I missed these over here, so. Damn, that's kind of crazy. Damn, check this thing out, yo. Crazy. Somebody commented and said I didn't get the bikes last time, so. Got some heat out here. Popping out here, y'all. Damn, this thing is crazy.
Hot Wheels?
Still,
Yeah, man, we got all the bikes right in the front. Some badass bikes, man.
I've had 3 monsters.
Liberty Walk. All these things on bags, man. Damn, this thing's sick. pipes on this thing, man. That's kind of crazy. Sure. Alright, man, we're gonna make our way back around. Right-hand drive.
C5. It's all fucking different.
Yeah. Chaser. It's packed out here, man. I'll check this thing out.
I don't know. Like I said, I have no social.
Gotta be on bags. Bro, you gotta do it for the video, man. One time.
He was about to go visit his
Damn, I missed this thing. It's clean, man. It's kind of dark right here, but you get the point, you know what I'm saying? My boy got to fit me right. Sheesh. All right, let me see the back. Color's crazy. This thing looks fresh out of a junkyard, man. Kind of cool though. Nights at the hop, man. It's going down, man. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Stay tuned. Got cars all the way over here, man. This thing's crazy. What the hell? This Lexus is sick. It's kind of dark though, man. It's crazy though.
He's like, I'll be 20 minutes away. 10 minutes. You go home first?
Hey, it's not doing bad, yo. Little Civic. That's crazy. was gonna say, rev it a little bit for the video.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Hell yeah. What do you have, haters?
No, is this something I can't delete?
Hell yeah. Damn, it's crazy. Some Subies, some more Subies. Kind of dark, but got a Urus, dog. Stop playing with him. I know it's kind of dark, y'all. Trying my best though to get every car. This thing's clean right here too, though. Get that thing up. Sheesh. To get him again. To get him again on it. Look at that. It's funny. Man, these lights look crazy on there. All right, man. See what else we got. These taillights are crazy. Some supercar taillights. These are crazy too. Damn.
She got a Lexus.
That's crazy. Sick. Check those lights out, man. Those lights are crazy. Sick.
You're bright, yeah.
Hell yeah. This thing has a clear hood. That's different. And a Lexus too. There they go. That's sick, bro. What? On a Malibu? Sheesh.
Damn, did I just totally get you in your lane?
No, you're good, man. No, you're good. You're good. No. This thing's crazy. Bright lights, man. C10. Quiet. There we go. man. To go off-roading.
Wow, good.
CL1. Parking way over here. And two.
See, my plan was
Right-hand drive on them. Got that old school, man. Which one would y'all take? The old or the new, man? Which one y'all got? Or the new?
I can feel the wind on my head.
Is that even legal? License plate? It's kind of crazy.
Actually, no.
Sitting on the ground, man. Hell yeah.
Thank goodness tomorrow we're gonna have to.
Got the exhaust on it.
That sound like an engine.
There you go. Cammed out with it. riding. That thing's sick, man. Got some more cars pulling in. That's clean. What was that one place that used to do paint jobs for cheap?
Mako?
Like, yeah, Mako. It sucked though, right? Shutting it down. I didn't see it. I'm sorry.
That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack.
Nice clean, y'all. Oh, she drove back around.
Wow, look at
Scan it real quick. Hey, look at the interior on this thing, man. That's clean. Seats. And it's right-hand drive. Huh? Clean bike. You even got a headlight in that thing. Alright, man, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like, man, and subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming, man. Shout out to Backstreet Outlaws, man. It's a great turnout, man. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Uh-oh, here he is, y'all.